Let's Shamal ji बोलिए क्या?
Sir, I have a question. I have
Yes.
done Pi long ago, and I have
Okay.
done various classes related to this. That I am. Right?
Ah,
We are all one. I
right.
read a lot of books, and I don't watch the TV. I don't watch radio because I don't want the other inputs.
Correct, correct.
But still, in spite of that, I find it very difficult to stay in that vibration. जो मैंने अभी share किया ना कि
हाँ,
initiation के दिन Pi के बाद
yeah,
there were tears and there was a very high vibration and that
correct,
lasted for quite some time, but वो
correct,
permanent क्यों नहीं रहता?
correct,
मतलब
correct,
I would love to be in that vibration the whole time, see divinity in everybody, myself, and stay like that forever, you know.
correct,
तो वो
correct,
ड्रॉप
correct.
क्यों होता रहता है बार बार, डिप होता है, ऊपर आता है, डिप होता है. So
Right,
it's a big effort.
right, right. I understand what you're saying exactly. What do you do?
Sir, I'm a dentist.
Dentist. Okay, great. So, um, and where do you live?
Sir, I am from Pune.
Pune. Okay, great. So, all experiences, okay, all experiences are part of the transient world. They come and they go. All thoughts, all feelings, every experienced phenomenon comes and goes. No matter how terrible, no matter how wonderful, it is all part of transience. Feelings themselves are part of transience. So, what is permanent, which is not transient, which is not coming and going, is the background in which all of this is happening. That is permanent. It is like एक स्क्रीन है, टीवी है, उस पे अलग अलग चैनल आते हैं, अलग अलग मूवीज आती है, वो मूवी आती है जाती है, ये मूवी आती है ये जाती है, ये चैनल आता है ये वो चैनल जाता है. लेकिन जो स्क्रीन है उसका बैकग्राउंड है, उसका बैकड्रॉप है, जिसमें से ये सारी तस्वीरें उभर रही है, जिसमें से ये सारी बातें आ रही है, जिसकी और हर एक दृश्य उसी स्क्रीन से ही बना हुआ है. वो स्क्रीन इस तरह से चमकता है तो आपको अमिताभ बच्चन दिखता है, इस तरफ से चमकता है तो आपको कोई और दिखता है, या कि लैंडस्केप दिखता है. So it is the same screen that is showing up, but each of these things that show up, they are all part of the things that come and go. Only the screen is there forever. The screen is the constant, and that is you. You are that screen, that background on which all this thing is coming and going. So what, and that is the only permanent thing. So look at any experience that is going on. अभी भी जो मैं बोल रहा हूं आप सुन रहे हैं, तो वो कोई है, कुछ है ऊर्जा जो सुन रही है और जो ये बात का अनुभव कर रही है, वो वहीं की वहीं है, वैसी की वैसी है. जो जो आपके डेंटल क्लिनिक में जब भी आप कुछ काम कर रहे हैं और आप देख रहे हैं और वहां जो अनुभव हो रहा है, वो अनुभव करने वाली जो बैकग्राउंड है, वो अभी जो बैकग्राउंड है, वो वाला बैकग्राउंड आप जब 5 साल के थे तब वो बैकग्राउंड, और जब वो आपको जो ब्रह्मोपदेश का या पाए का जो एक्सपीरियंस याद आ रहा है, वो वाला बैकग्राउंड, अभी का आज का जो अनुभव था वो वाला बैकग्राउंड, दैट बैकग्राउंड इज द ओनली थिंग दैट इज नॉट चेंजिंग. That is the constant. That is the one. And that is nothing but joy, nothing but emptiness, nothing but peace, nothing but truth, nothing but love, nothing but beauty. And that is the one that is permanent. So if we try to hold on to these transient experiences and try to make them permanent, we cannot succeed because they are part of the transient world. Those things will come and go. No matter how wonderful it will go. No matter how terrible it will go. वो सुना है ना आपने बुद्ध का, this too shall pass. So this too shall pass. So there's no point in trying to hold on to these flickering images of these, what we, and this that you are, you don't have to hold on to because you are that. You already are that. You are that peace. You are that love. You are that truth. You are that beauty. And being in that beauty, being in that place, you can be there in that place, which is that background of all experience, all the time, anytime, every time, every moment, no matter what is coming and going. So it is a futile exercise to try and catch on to these outer experiences and try to see forever. Oh, I was feeling so wonderful on top of that mountain. I want to feel that top of the mountain all the time. No, it's part of transient phenomena. The one that experienced the top of the mountain is still available today, right now. And that is the divine experience, which is beyond all of this, which is the source of all of this, which is the creator of all of this, which is from where everything is flowing, and which is what you already are. इसको पहुंचने के लिए आपको ना तपस्या की जरूरत है, ना मेडिटेशन की, ना किसी योगा की, ना कुछ भी, क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी वो हो. It's only a matter of remembering, oh, that background, that peace from which all is emerging is my true form. I am that. And living there, you can live there all the time. In I am that, I am that, I am the one. Living in that. And for the purpose of engaging with the world, we come out and engage, fill cavities and pay bills and climb mountains and take courses and do meditation and do kriya and do pranayam and all of that. But where we live, that's the permanent place. And we live there, then all this is just part of the game. And we don't try to hold on to any particular game. All games are welcome. To this that you are, there is no preferences, there is no choice. जो भी सामने आता है वो ही प्यारा है. जो आप है उसके लिए सब कुछ उतना ही प्यारा है, इक्वली प्यारा, क्योंकि सभी उसका रचाया हुआ है. The top of the mountain and the bottom of the khai are both equally welcome to this divine open space that you are. And no matter where you find yourself, you will always find yourself here. And when you find yourself here, just be here. And that is the permanent lasting thing, right? There is no way you can, like, let's say you go to a party and you are enjoying the party and your music is great and the food is wonderful, the people are wonderful, the clothes are wonderful, you're well dressed, you're feeling good. Can it last forever? Will you forget about it last? Supposing we made a party that goes on forever, will you enjoy that party forever?
Not
Very
at all.
soon you will say, bus, I want to enjoy the peace and quiet of my own space, my room, my house. So that is permanent. So we don't need to go around searching for these temporary things as permanent and try to grab them or hold on to them. If they come, welcome. I'm not saying don't enjoy the party. Enjoy the party fully. But know that you are the one who is present, and that's the one that's the real source of joy and happiness, not the party. So we bring joy to the party, not that we go to the party to find joy, because it is not there in the party. Great, clear?
So
Yeah.
the way is to keep remembering, like you said in your previous
In
talks.
one of the
Keep
earlier,
remembering, keep reminding yourself.
keep remembering. I am this one that is experiencing this. I am this, which has no limits, no boundaries, no conditions, infinite power, infinite love, infinite joy. I am that. So the actor remembering that this is just a role can do the acting much better, because he's not attached neither to the role nor to the anything, not to the profit, not to the ये बॉक्स ऑफिस में कैसा होएगा, मैं ठीक लग रहा हूं या नहीं लग रहा हूं, मेरा एंगल ठीक है, वो सब सोचता है वो, तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा. वो सोचता है कि अरे ये तो मेरा रोल है यार, क्या बनना है मुझे, डाकू बनना है, चल मैं डाकू बन गया. And that is possible only when we are aware of who we really are. and not this role. So remembering, that is the only sadhana. This understanding is half a minute, is half a, I can explain this whole understanding in one session or even less than that. But the sadhana to live that more and more and more is a lifelong sadhana. And the more we understand this from all different angles, the more we are able to remember again and again. In the midst of challenge, in the midst of so-called difficult circumstances or so-called challenging circumstances, uske beech mein bhi yahi yaad, remembering who I am, not just who I am, who you are, who anything is, what everything is in front of you. Seeing the magic in all of it, all objects, not just people. All objects are made of nothing but consciousness.
Even I have left watching movie and everything, TVs and everything since years.
Yeah.
Since years.
Okay.
I go with all these things only.
Right. So seeing that in all of it. So and use every opportunity to remind yourself. See, one thing is to keep remembering. That you may get tired of after a while. The other way is to use whatever comes in front of you to remind yourself. Oh, here I am in this form. Here is me getting angry. Here is me becoming sad. Here is I pretending to be upset. Here I am again. Here I am again in the form of my dentist chair. Here I am in the form of this drill machine that I'm holding. Wow. Because objects are also nothing but I. It is not just people. So when that awareness becomes more and more acute, and you look at each and everything and experience everything as that, then you don't even have to remind yourself. Everything becomes an automatic reminder. So what was earlier hiding the truth and hiding the divine now becomes an opportunity to see the truth, and it reveals the divine rather than hiding the divine. So reminding yourself also this is the one way, is to use every opportunity to remind yourself. Every person, every encounter, every experience, every situation, everything, every object, every, your food, your bed, your friends, your anything and everything, because that's all there is. This is all there is. So they become the source of your enlightenment. They become your supporters of reminding. जैसे हम अलार्म रखते हैं तो वो अलार्म रखता है तभी याद आता है, लेकिन आई एम सेइंग यूज ऑल ऑफ दिस एज योर अलार्म क्लॉक. All of this. Beautiful.
Got
Thank you.
Thank you
For that question. Session title क्या रखे? My God, this was a very very powerful one. What should we call this? Because when we post it on YouTube, we need to give it a title so that people
Sir, title will come in your mind.
Yeah,
something to do with bhakti.
With bhakti, I'm thinking something about something.
Om Namo Narayana.
Om Namo Narayana is good, but only people who, for example, know what this is will relate to that. We want a title that anyone, supposing somebody sitting in Europe or Russia is seeing this title, they may say, "Arey, kya hai ye?"
Engaging in divine.
Engaging in divine or something like that. Or I was thinking friends and enemies, both are divine. Something like that, catching. Your enemy, not enemy. People.
Can we do this? Just a suggestion. Devotion to the friend and the enemy.
Devotion to the friend and to the enemy. Divinity in the friend and in the enemy.
Yes.
Divinity in the friend, divinity in the enemy. Aisa. This is it. Good.
So the word enemy is not good now.
Enemy, so-called enemy. So-called
Suggestion.
enemy, temporary. You're right, but see, ultimately there are no enemies. And ultimately there are no
Okay.
friends also, by the way, Sonal. If
So
we
then everyone, just say, na?
no, but that's not catching. वो थोड़ा dramatic चाहिए.
Trump.
थोड़ा drama चाहिए. Divinity in friends.
Divinity in all.
नहीं वो तो
finding-
सबको मालूम है. वो सबको मालूम है. You want to have a little hook also.
So finding or seeing divinity or only divinity?
Divinity in friends, divinity
In foes.
in foes. Yeah, divinity in friends, divinity in foes. Okay.
Avinash hai kya?
हाँ है.
Yeah, I'm here. Last क्या था word?
Divinity
in
in
friends.
friends, divinity in foes. FOES. Foes.
Okay.
Divinity in friends, divinity in foes. Yeah, right. Exactly.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll do this.
Alliteration ho gaya, na?
Very nice. Okay, great. And it doesn't sound as harsh as enemies.
Yeah.
Parsi Bhavas is the best in English. It proves again.
Yeah, right. Great. Wonderful. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat. Great. Thank you. I'm going to
Thank you.
pause the recording.